Ever wonder why bad breath keeps coming back, even after mouthwash or gum? The freshness fades and the odor returns, leaving you frustrated and self-conscious. Most mouthwashes and gums only mask the problem for a short time. The real issue? They don't address the bacteria causing bad breath. Many mouthwashes contain alcohol, which dries out your mouth. A dry mouth is the perfect environment for odor-causing bacteria to thrive. Saliva is your body's natural defense, washing away food and bacteria. When your mouth is dry, you lose this protection. So, the more you use alcohol-based mouthwash, the worse the cycle gets. Covering up the smell isn't a solution. It's like painting over a water stain without fixing the leak. To truly solve bad breath, we need to support our mouth's natural environment. It's time for a smarter, science-backed approach, and that solution is finally here. The real hero in fighting bad breath is saliva. Saliva breaks down food, neutralizes acids, and keeps bacteria in check. When saliva production drops due to stress, medication, or mouth breathing, bad bacteria multiply. This is the root cause of persistent bad breath. The answer: restore moisture and balance in your mouth. Enter synthetic saliva patches, a breakthrough technology. These small, soft discs release a formula that mimics natural saliva. They provide steady hydration and essential proteins, not just water. The result: a healthy, balanced mouth environment. No more masking odors. These patches tackle the source. Imagine a personal sprinkler system for your mouth, working all day or night. It's a new way to keep your breath fresh naturally. Oral care just got smarter. How do these patches work? Scientists studied healthy saliva and recreated its key ingredients: enzymes, proteins, and lubricants. The patch sticks gently inside your mouth and slowly dissolves, releasing these components over hours. It's like drip irrigation for your mouth, steady, targeted hydration. This keeps good bacteria thriving and bad bacteria in check. The formula matches your mouth's natural pH, protecting teeth and tissues. It's not just about moisture, it's about restoring a healthy ecosystem. The patch is comfortable, discreet, and works far longer than gum or mouthwash. You can talk, drink, and go about your day without noticing it's there. For those with dry mouth, it also makes speaking and swallowing easier. The result: fresher breath and better oral health naturally. Science meets daily comfort. Do these patches really work? Clinical trials say yes. In studies, users saw a 98% drop in the compounds that cause bad breath within a week. Confidence soared as people no longer worried about their breath. Using a patch is simple. After brushing, place it on your gum and forget it's there. Some patches are for daytime, others for night, so you wake up fresh. Many brands offer companion apps to track usage and progress. You can set reminders, monitor freshness, and see real improvement. No more constant mints or mouthwash, just quiet, lasting confidence. Users report cleaner, more comfortable mouths all day. The sticky, dry feeling is replaced by natural moisture. For many, it's a life-changing boost in self-esteem. Managing oral health becomes easy and engaging. Fresh breath, finally made simple. As synthetic saliva patches gain popularity, be a smart shopper. Avoid cheap imitations. Look for medical-grade patches registered with health authorities. Buy from reputable pharmacies or official brand sites, not sketchy online sellers. Start by using a patch at night after brushing and flossing. Once comfortable, add a daytime patch for round-the-clock freshness. Consistency is key. Daily use restores and maintains oral health. These patches aren't a cure-all, but they're a proven long-term solution for most cases of bad breath. Keep brushing, flossing, and seeing your dentist. Ready to break the cycle of mouthwash and gum? Talk to your dentist or pharmacist for recommendations on trusted brands. Take the first step toward lasting fresh breath and renewed confidence. Check the video description for my recommended essentials. No gimmicks, just what works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more budget.